Hey, I'm Ethan Peterson. I'm taking a research and development class here at Go Lake High School. And for my research and development project, I'm working on a video game with two teammates, Will and Alex. This is going to be my second video log for my progress on that project. And if you recall from my last video log, I was working on sprite character or sprite ideas. I created one design for a pirate kid who's going to be the main character of the video game, and then I also created an idea for a boss in the video game, which is going to be it's going to be called like a swordfish. It's going to be play on words. Anyways, I also did do a running animation for the main character, and ultimately, I didn't like how it looked, and so this week. Was dedicated to redesign. I'm also going to dedicate spoilers next week to redesign because this week has been, I haven't been able to work on my project as much as I would have liked due to testing I've had at the SAT and MSTEP and some other tests. But anyways, I've been working on or attempting to create a new design for the character. And I've been separating his body parts and trying to make just shapes so I can figure out the anatomy of my character and make him look proportional and include perspective. I want him to look a little bit more interesting than what I had last time. Maybe I'll add a backpack to him. Definitely want to use real hands instead of circles, and probably I'll end up giving him a face, though that's been kind of a challenge. But anyways, I've been working on all that, and then in the center canvas, this is where I'm at currently. And so that's my first attempt at actually making a real hand and I think it looks kind of decent right now. I separated the arms into different shapes, and so I'm going to do that. I did that with the legs too. The pants and the tunic, bottom part of the tunic, obviously need a little bit of work, and so I'm going to fix that a little bit. This isn't complete, um, but the main reason I'm separating his body parts, besides learning his anatomy and being able to like replicate this in the future, is also because I'm going to be rigging him. So in the animation I created last week, it was frame by frame, and it took a ton of time. But one of my teammates, Alex, suggested that I could separate his body parts and attach bones to them in Unity and rig him. So it would be a lot easier just to create the illusion of movement. And that way I could get through his running animation, his walking animation, jumping, all of that so easily. And I think that's going to be a great idea. So that's where I'm at right now. I've been watching some videos on how to rig in Unity. One was by Black Keys. It was very useful, and I watched a second one that was talking about specifically how to use PNG files because I'm using Procreate for my character, and it's gonna be a PNG file if I upload from Procreate. I don't have Photoshop because that's expensive, and that would be a PSB file, which is a little bit more common to use for rigging in Unity. But so this is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna devote the next week to more redesign, and I'm gonna learn how to rig my character so as to make animation a lot easier on myself. And I'm learning a lot through this. It's a lot more difficult than I expected. I'm not used to drawing people. I'm pretty good at drawing inanimate objects, but people have been a challenge, and animation is new to me as well. So this is a fun challenge, and I'm really excited to learn more about drawing sprites and video game characters in the future. And so I'm kind of excited to see where this project takes me. I wanted to thank you for watching my video log, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.